And now that's a surprise. Joachim Frank. You are obliged to come again here on stage. No, it's a different story. Come. I know that you're surprised. This is a new award named after Frank International Biophysics Award. Biophysics Award, an award bearing your name for leadership in applying physical principles in biological phenomena in framework of sustainable development. So this is named after you. You are not getting a new award. Well, kind of award, just, okay. So who is the winner of this award? You're going to give it yourself. Who is the winner of this award? Hans Leuenberger. Where he is? I don't see him. Hans, are you here? Are you here? Oh, he is here. For the moment, I thought to cancel it. He has worked all his life, 3 degrees in physics, but he has applied physics in pharmacy. That's why Biophysics Award. Congratulations. It's so emotional.
You really surprised me.
Well, there are 2 surprises here. There are 2 surprises. These are very emotional. Okay, this is the award. Okay, look at the award here. The FLOGEN Frank International Biophysics Award given to Hans. You can see it. You have to give it, yeah. Come here, please. We have to go this way. This way, because we have the... Come. So you give it to him.
Thank you so much, Frank.
You can speak, but just have a picture now. Keep this now with your... Frank is better you go on the other side. You can come in the middle, because he's our dinner. If you go this way. And you can keep this. And we can see there. Congratulations. If you say something, you're going there. So you have to say a few words one after the other. He's so emotional, but it's okay. You can say a few words after, just all.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, I'm really surprised and moved, and I don't think that they deserve it, because, in fact, so many people were helping me during my life, and I'm very happy about my students and postdocs who have done a good job, and I wouldn't be here without them. I thank you so much, especially Florian. Thank you for this. I think, you know, I don't know so much, and I think we should be humble, because we don't know everything. So we have to be somehow humble. And I thank you that you are here for a sustainable future of the world. And we need to have something also, a peaceful and healthy world. And hope we can realize it thanks to the SIPS organization. And thank you that you are here. All the best.
Congratulations. You can say a few words. Frank. You can say a few words, because this should be in the website like this. So you can say a few words. Say a few words. You can say a few words.
Well, this is a total surprise, but I was not aware that the prize was named after me. It's a great honor, and the only thing that I can say is that there is a very distinguished photography prize named after me somewhere in China, in Shenzhen, and a trophy of pretty much the same weight arrived a few weeks ago in my house in Massachusetts.
Okay.
So, so I'm very touched by getting this very high recognition.
Thank you.
And
You deserve
I'm really very grateful that the first award has come to you.
Physics, both applied in biology and pharmacy. Thank you very much. Thank you.